Next, we're going to go ahead and talk about surge protection. Nowadays, they make whole home surge protectors. You might see surge strips throughout your house that they say that any surges go through your system. It would protect things that you plug in, like if you plugged in your TV or anything like that, modems. A lot of people just really use them in case if they need more spaces to plug in their outlets. They now make one that sits inside of the panel that protects your entire home. So that includes your furnace, your stove, your refrigerator, all of your TVs, all of your game consoles, your computers, all of it. Say you had a massive surge go through your entire system, that can damage all those electronics, and imagine all of those going out at one time. That's a pretty hefty bill. So what we always recommend it because it's better to stop a problem before it occurs. Other benefits of the surge protector is that it does come with a lifetime warranty. The manufacturer will replace the parts at no cost if it ever does fail. We also warranty the labor on it for life, so if the unit ever did go bad, we'd come back out and install a new one for free. Other great things is that they can get you deductions on home insurance and stuff like that. You would have to talk to your home insurance to see if you guys can get any rebates from it. But overall, it's a great thing because it protects your entire house from incoming surges.